From applying for a driver's license or passport to receiving federal or state benefits, birth certificates are important pieces of documentation to have. But for some people born in remote areas of the Navajo Nation, that one slip of paper can be very difficult to obtain. Monet Gunn has more.
Many elderly tribal members were born at home and often have a hard time trying to obtain an official Arizona birth certificate. These individuals must then go through the delayed registration process. This is not guaranteed that they will receive a certificate. The Arizona Office of Vital Statistics handles this process that requires a lot of time. They have to go through several steps, one that includes having an eyewitness statement from a person that was there when they were born.
I didn't have a birth certificate. I would have to have someone 10 years older than me to verify that I was, or to say that I was born on this date at this location.
Eyewitness statements are not easy to obtain. Most of the people trying to get their delayed birth certificates were born in the 1930s or 1940s, which means the people that would have witnessed their birth may no longer be alive. If they're unable to get an eyewitness statement, there's another step they can do instead, says Matilda Perdue, who works for the Vital Records Office of Coconino County.
If outlived these folks, then what they would do instead is supply, I would tell them, their mom and dad's death certificate. If they have a death certificate for proof that they've outlived everybody, then they can move on to the next record.
Both Lena Fowler and Perdue are working to make the process easier along with the Navajo Nation and many others. They're trying to propose a statute for elderly Native Americans born before 1970 to get their birth certificate. This bill will only require a couple steps as opposed to the delayed registration process.
Maybe with one tribal record, which is called for the Navajo tribe the affidavit of birth, and one more document reflecting the exact same information.
While they are working to get this bill to pass, Perdue encourages the elderly that are trying to get their birth certificates to not give up.
Please hang in there. It's good. The process is going to get much easier.
For NAZ Today, I'm Monet Gunn.
The Coconino County Public Health Service Office offers birth certificates Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. to 4 p.m.